Magandang buhay sa lahat, lalong-lalo na sa mga Lizken fans. Liza Soberano launches a new vlog and production company. Ayon kay Liza, I'm starting my own production company, actually, in the next 3 to 6 months. Actually, I'm in Korea right now to learn more about that. Liza Soberano revealed, briefly sharing her film class with director Dan Villegas for this venture. And Liza Soberano featured in Philstar Entertainment section, titled, What Has Liza Soberano Been Up To in Korea? Samantala, nagkomento ang isang netizen about kina Liza and Enrique. Saad nito, why do they keep on hiding? Don't understand. As usual, Lizken fan replied, we respect their privacy, as of now, at hindi na sila love team, na kailangan makita natin, na laging sweet. Now nag-enjoy sila. As a normal couple, tulad namin, na true LQ fans, naintindihan namin sila, masaya kami para sa kanila. Ayan ang mga Lizken fans, kahit anong mangyari, ipagtatanggol nila ang kanilang pinakamamahal na idolo. Samantala, ito ang bagong update photos ng Lizken. Panoorin natin guys.